Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make your iPhone flash when you receive a text or call. Especially helpful in noisy environment or for users who hearing impairments who rely on visual cues for notifications or calls. Go to the settings app on your iPhone, tap on accessibility. Under the accessibility scroll down to audio and visual option. Again scroll to last and tap on LED flash for alerts option. Turn on LED flash for alerts toggle. For the test, I am locking my iPhone screen using the side power button and calling to my iPhone. As you can see, LED flash is blinking as we expected. In addition, if you want LED flash for alerts when your iPhone screen is unlocked, then enable the toggle flash while unlocked. Now, my iPhone is flashing even I am on screen and using my phone on regular basis. Another setting is flash in silent mode toggle, which means control LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent. That's an easy way to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. Please like, share and subscribe for helpful free tech guide videos.